In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix apps not deleting on your iPhone. If you try to delete any app from your iPhone and don't find the option of delete now, this means that your device was set to not delete or uninstall already downloaded apps on it. To enable back the delete now option, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, head to this option of screen time. On this page, select on this option of content and privacy restrictions. You will then select on this second option of iTunes and App Store purchases. Onto the option of deleting apps, mark as allow. All downloaded apps will be enabled to get uninstalled or deleted at any time. If I get back and long hold on any app, the delete now option will be available. On the other hand, this feature also helps you to avoid mistakenly deleting apps on your iPhone. That's how easy it is to fix apps not deleting on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.